Toward the end of the growing season, your hyssop will have a bunch of dry stems and seed pods above its clump of leaves. You'll notice that below your drying leaves is a clump of fairly new leaves, and those will stay evergreen most likely through the winter. If you see completely browned and dead leaves, you can just pull those out. And then the stems upon which the seed pods are fairly brittle, so you can just go down as far as you can and break the stem off. And if you can't, you get some scissors if they're a little moist. You can leave the seed pods intact to let the birds eat the seeds from them throughout the winter, or you can remove them to make the plant look more tidy. You can wiggle on the stems to see which ones will come out on their own. You can also use pruners to remove the stems. Just go all the way down. They come from the soil and cut. If you notice that your stem is still green, even though this flower has already wilted, you can cut above a set of leaves, and that might encourage more flowers to bloom, like this little bud. Here's an example of a stem that meets some green leaves, so you're just going to want to cut right there. And look how cute it looks now. It's ready for the next growing season compared to the other one that still needs to be worked on. And if you want to, you can take these spent seed pods and put them in a dry vase for a little autumn display.